So visualize the execution. Now we are going to perform sum of all the number in the array. Int array 10, all the array declare ARR with 0 to 9. You can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And sum equal to 0. Sum is garbage initially. Now when I go to the next line, what happened? Now here sum becomes 0, I becomes 0. Sum becomes 0, I becomes 0. Now sum becomes 1. Sum equal to sum plus I. 1 plus 0, 1. That's why here you can see sum equal to 1. Next, now 1 plus 2, 3. Sum becomes 3. And here I get here 3. Next, sum becomes 3 plus 3, 6. 3 plus 3, 6. I becomes. So in this way, you just observe this stack here, value get changed here, and this output get changed here. Just go to it. Sum becomes 10, sum becomes 15. When I is 5, sum becomes 21. When I is 6, sum becomes 28. When I is 7, sum becomes 36, 45, 55. So in this way, we got the output. Okay. What if I change the code and I declare one more variable which save the result? Int result 10. Okay, and I save the result in result array. Result I equal to sum. That's it. So what happen when we get the result? Just I tell you what will happen now. Whatever result we are getting here, this result gets saved in the array of name. What is the array name here? Array of name result. So result 0 will be 1, result 1 will be 3, result 2 will be 6, result 9 will be 55. Okay, so already we are taking the input in the array. Already these numbers are saved in the array. 0 contains 1, array 1 contains 2, array 9 contains 10. We get the result. Result are saved in result array. So let us run the code. Okay, so let us run the code, and we need to print the result array also. So here I will print the result array also. So what I do, I just copy the code and paste the code here for printing the result array. That's it. Okay, so this is the program which print the result array. No need of the bracket if there are only one statement. Okay, no need of the bracket. I can exclude the bracket. Okay, so here I print result. That's it. Okay, run the code. Run the code and get the output. Clear? Okay, chalo, run the code and get the output. So when I run the code, I get two array. First array for ARR. You can see ARR is the array. I am going to save this 1 to 10 in the array, and result array is there. Result array is there. This is the result array. Okay, you can see this array, ARR array here, and sum. So this is the sum. Okay, now go to next. Now you can see here array is initialized 1 to 10 because these are values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Values are assigned. No blanks values are there. Go to the next. Now sum is 0, I is 0. Now result I equal to sum. Now this 1 will be transferred here. Result 0. Next. Great. Result 0 is 1. Next, can you see here value of the sum of array? The sum of number in the array is 1. I got this output. The sum of number in the array is 1. Okay, I just modify the window so that you can clearly see the output. Go to the next. Now you can see here sum is 3, array result 1 equal to 3, because result 1 equal to sum, and sum is 3. That's why sum is 3. Result 1 equal to 3, because value of I is now 1. Next, now value of I is 2. Value of I is 2, and sum is 6, and result 2 is 6, because we are saving the result in result array. Go to the next. Now you will check. Now this value will be changed gradually. What the value of sum is there, that will be assigned to the respective index. Go to the next. Just observe this output, guys. Observe this output and observe this output. Okay, these two output get changed. Now result sum is 10. Here result 3 equal to 10. Sum is, the value of I becomes 4. Sum equal to 15. Result 4 equal to 15. Value of I will be 5. Sum equal to 21. Result 5 equal to 21. Just observe this output. Next, can you see here? Next, I equal to 7, sum become 36, array 7 become 36, I equal to 8, sum equal to 45, result 8 equal to 45, I equal to 9, sum result 9 equal to 55, and loop get break. Now value of I becomes here, value of I is 9, value of I becomes 10, you can check it, value of I becomes, and you can see the output here, all the output are printed here. Okay, 1, 3, 6, 10. Okay, now value of I becomes 10, loop got break, congratulations. So in this way we have executed the code. Come on guys, subscribe my channel Balaji Shetty on YouTube, follow me on Instagram for such a video. I wish you all the best. For incoming webinar, I will announce on my website balajishetty.com. Thank you.